The GM 6.2 LT4 is one of General Motors' most powerful production V8 engines, combining a traditional pushrod layout with modern technologies like direct injection and supercharging. Introduced in the Chevrolet Corvette C7 Z06, it quickly became a flagship performance engine used in cars like the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 and luxury models such as the Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. With up to 650 to 682 horsepower, the LT4 delivers extreme performance. But that level of output comes with specific reliability considerations. At its core, the LT4 shares architecture with the naturally aspirated LT1, but adds stronger internals to handle boost. It features a reinforced aluminum block, forged crankshaft, forged pistons, and upgraded rotocast cylinder heads for improved durability and heat management. The key highlight is the Eaton TVS Supercharger, which delivers instant torque and high boost pressure while maintaining relatively compact packaging. Combined with direct injection and variable valve timing, the LT4 achieves impressive power figures without sacrificing everyday drivability. But the complexity of these systems also introduces potential long-term issues. Like many modern engines, the LT4 suffers from carbon accumulation on intake valves due to its direct injection system. Because fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber, it does not clean the intake valves. Over time, oil vapors and contaminants form deposits that restrict airflow. This leads to reduced performance, rough idle, and decreased fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance, such as intake cleaning or walnut blasting, becomes essential, especially as mileage increases. One of the most serious known issues with the LT4 is oil pump failure, particularly in certain 2017-2018 models. In some cases, the pump can fail without warning, causing a sudden drop in oil pressure and potentially catastrophic engine damage. Even outside of defective batches, the stock oil pump may struggle under high-performance or modified conditions, making it a concern for tuned or aggressively driven engines. The LT4 uses active fuel management, AFM, a cylinder deactivation system designed to improve fuel economy. While effective in theory, it is known for reliability problems. Common issues include lifter collapse, camshaft wear, and increased oil consumption. These failures can lead to expensive repairs, and many enthusiasts choose to disable AFM entirely to improve long-term durability. The Eaton Supercharger is reliable overall, but it generates significant heat, especially during aggressive driving. Heat soak can reduce performance and put additional stress on engine components. Intercooler systems help, but issues such as intercooler pump failure or reduced cooling efficiency can occur over time. Additionally, supercharger coupler wear may lead to noise or reduced efficiency in high-mileage engines. The LT4's direct injection system operates at extremely high pressures, making it sensitive to fuel quality. Poor quality gasoline can damage the high-pressure fuel pump or clog injectors, leading to misfires and performance loss. Since the LT4 is not flex fuel compatible, consistent use of premium fuel is critical for reliability. Cooling system components, including radiators and intercooler bricks, can struggle under sustained high loads. Spark plugs and ignition coils wear faster due to increased cylinder pressures from forced induction. There are also reports of belt slip or wear in the supercharger drive system, especially in modified setups. In high-mileage engines, PCV system inefficiencies can contribute to oil consumption and increased carbon buildup. The GM 6.2 LT4 is a powerful and advanced engine that delivers exceptional performance, but it demands proper care and attention. In stock form, the LT4 is a robust and well-engineered engine capable of reaching 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. The LT4 offers incredible potential, but reliability also heavily depends on driving style. Hard launches, track use, and modifications significantly increase wear and the likelihood of failure.